Tell me about your first Glitza experience.
Absolutely incredible. I have to say I've enjoyed every second of my Glitza experience. It's been amazing. Glitter is essential to life, I've realised.
Was it different than you expected?
I wouldn't say it was different. I'd say I expected it to be how it was, but it was better because the glitter just got everywhere. And that wasn't a bad thing at all.
Can you see other places in your everyday life that you would use Glitza that wouldn't be that you didn't get to use today?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, if I wanted a temporary tattoo, I'd definitely go for it, like I've done on my collarbone here, per se. Or if I was going to a music festival, I'd definitely wear it out there, special occasions, I say.
Would you be able to use this only by yourself, or maybe with your friends, or with younger relatives, or with someone else?
Oh yeah, I could use this definitely with younger relatives. I think there is a big niche in the market for younger children, but also I think you could use it at parties or events just to add a bit of fun to the...
Is there anything else you want us at Glitza to know?
Keep on doing what you're doing, because everyone that has been at the party has had a great time and we have the results to prove it.